Looking to hire someone for projects or showcase your skills? Fiverr is the go-to platform for everything from quick tasks to big projects, all starting at just $5. It's super easy to use whenever or whether you are offering services or getting things done. So hello everyone and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to use Fiverr, a highly popular platform for offering freelance service and in a variety of files. The first step that you have to do is just open your browser and dive into fiverr.com. This is the homepage as you can see. First, let's know what is Fiverr. Fiverr is an online platform where freelancers offer a wide range of services from graphic design to writing, coding, and more. Users can hire experts for specific tasks or offer their own skills, with prices start at $5 as you can see. So here we have the home page. Right now I will just click over join in the top right to get started and to start create an account, and then I will just click over sign in if you already have an account, and I will just click over here using the first option, which is Google. You can also use email address or Apple and Facebook. Alright, so we have how it looks right now. We'll just here choose those things if I want to sell on freelance services, buying freelance services as well. So we'll just select the second one, then I will just here answer those questions, then I will get started with Fiverr. Alright, so right now we have here great, we are almost there. Here is what's the next. Firstly, you have to complete your seller profile, get your first gig, and we have publish it and start selling. So we have here complete your seller profile or start exploring, or you can just delete this one if you want. And here we have this platform of fiverr.com. Alright, so we have various things and the various options such as here for graphic and design, programming and teach, digital marketing, video and animation, writing and translation, music and audio, business, finance, AI service. We have also here, for example, personal growth, consultant, photography, and various things as you can see. So to use Fiverr, you have just to create a profile and browse or search for services you need or can offer. If you are hiring, select a freelancer, review their offerings, and place an order. If you are offering services, create a gig detailing what you do and set your price. Once someone purchases your gig, complete the tasks and get paid. As you can see, so we will have how it looks with this platform, which is Fiverr. Firstly, for a pause or project brief, you have just to get tailored offers for your needs, and you click over get started. Also, we have here if you want to tailor Fiverr to your needs, you can just get started and add your info. If we scroll down, we'll find here various things. If you want, for example, logo design, user-generated content, if you want website development, social media marketing. Also, we have here get inspired by work done on Fiverr. You have just to search if you want a specific things here, and here we have what service are you looking for today. So for example, I will just force something here, logo design, for example, and then you will find here or list choosing, for example, video editing as well. So once you search about it, you'll find here results. You have just to select the category if you want, or you can just here select the service options, seller details, budget, and delivery time to just choose the specific one that you want. For example, I will just select this one, and here we have it right now. We have here entire 10% off your first order, and here we have it right now. So here we have if you want to continue, if you want to use the basic one, the standard one, or the premium one. And for here the first one, the price it's 108. The standard one you have to pay $63, and here this one you have to pay $36. Here we have the video editing as you can see, and then you have just to click over continue and you start with that. So we have YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, TikTok with subtitles, transitions, B-roll, music, and other things. We have here up to 15 minutes of footage provided, up to 1 minute running time, color grading, sound design, and mixing. You have also here motions, graphics, subtitle as well. You click over continue and then you get started and you start by in this one, right? So it's just kind of, and right now we have also here other things. You have just to choose the one you want. If it's related to graphic and design, have logo and brand identity, web and page and application design. Sorry, we have visual design, architecture and builder design, product and gaming, art and illustration. Then we have marketing design, fashion and merchandise. Also we have here if it's related to the programming and teach, We have here website development, AI development. Also, we have a digital marketing and video and animation. For example, I will just here select here the off presenter video, and I search for TikTok. You just see video, and then I will just wait for it. Here we have it right now, and here we have the results as you can see, and you get started with this one as you can see. All right, so we have just to get started with this platform. If you want to hear video editing, keep exploring, and we have various things. For example, also I will just select here, for example, this one, and it's the pro one. I will just select it. Then we have here how much you will pay, which is $100. We have here one video up to 15 seconds run at time, subtitles and captions included. We have also your Boston, and you have just to click over request to order, and you get that started with Fiverr. Right, so we have various things in Fiverr. You have just to get in started as soon as possible, because it's very helpful to start with this platform. The provider various things related to graphics design, programming, teach, digital marketing, video and animation, writing and translation, music and audio, business, finance, AI service, personal growth, consulting, photography. Or you can just search for whatever you want here, and you will just here select it, right? So Fiverr is a user-friendly platform that connects freelancers with clients, offering a wide range of services at various price points. Whether you are looking to hire for a project or share your skills with the world, Fiverr makes it easy to get started, collaborate, and grow your business as well. Also in the top right we'll find here my account. We have here if you want to hit the profile, post a product brief. Your brief is we have here if you want to become a seller, and we have here settings, billing and payment. We have invite your team, hire on an hourly basis, earn Fiverr credits, and we have also the other things. So we'll just click over become a seller right now, and then you will find a page which is this one. Here we have how you can join our growing freelance community as you can see. So here we have how it works. You have just to create a gig, sign up for free, set up your gig, and offer your work to our global audience. The second thing that you have to do, which is deliver great work, get notified when you get an order, and use our system to discuss details with customers. The last step, which is get paid on time every time payment is available for withdrawal as soon as it clears. So we have how it works with this one. We have also here some questions and answers. You have just to select the one you need, and you click over here and you get your answer. Then you get started by clicking over here, and you'll find a page which is this one. Here we have how we can get started, ready to start selling Fiverr. Here is the breakdown. You have just to read it, and then you click over continue. You have what makes a successfully Fiverr profile, and we'll just click over continue. We have here now. Let's talk about the tanks, and then you get started by adding the first name and the last name, display name, and then you have just to blank this information, and you click over continue. Then you get started with this platform which is Fiverr. So this is how it works with Fiverr. You can just get started as soon as possible, and this is it for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead.